How to add another account in Telegram. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can add another account in Telegram very easily. So without wasting any time, let's get further with it. First of all, open your Telegram application, and what you need to do is tap on the left side of the top. And here you can see the menu icon. After that, tap on your number with the drop down option, and you can see this add account option. What you need to do is tap on this add account option to add a next number. After that, choose your country. After entering your country, what you need to do is enter your next phone number to add your next account. And you may sync your account if you want it, or tap on the icon to not sync it. After entering your phone number, you need to tap on this arrow icon, and then you'll receive a code. After entering the code, you will successfully add another account in Telegram. So just follow the steps I told you and you will be able to add another account in Telegram very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.